Hello traders, and welcome to another video analysis. Today is Wednesday, the 15th of the July 2020, and we are going to take a look at the XRP quoted to American dollar daily candlestick chart. So let's start from the beginning. One of the most important levels on this chart is the low made at the middle of the March 2020. After this big red candle has been made, we got the other candle, which is green, and that candle retraced almost 50% of this drop down. And since then, the market is steadily trending up. We can even say that this is some kind of a local uptrend, but there is no new high made. As you can see here, we got the bearish engulfing pattern, the candlestick pattern made at the top of the move. Here, it was like in the beginning of the May 2020, and since then, slowly but steadily, we are making lower lows. As you can see here, we got this low here, we got the lower low here. Moreover, we are making lower highs. As you can see here, this is the high, the point of the reference. This is the lower high, and this is the lower high market with this red arrow. We'll come back at this in a minute, because there is something else I would like to share with you. We got, of course, the trend line, right? So the market is right now trending above this trend line, because after the drop towards the 50% of the whole move up, right? So we got the retracement, 50% retracement, and then the period of the consolidation with a dip, occasional dip towards the level of 0.17, right? We got this attempt to rally, right? First thing is nice, good breakout above the short-term trend line. We got support here in the momentum. The RSI broke above the 50 level, which is neutral level as well. So we attempt to rally, but the market stopped at the level of around 0.21, because this is 61% of this move down, right? So bulls has retraced 61% of the last wave down, and since then again we got this the moment of a consolidation where the both sides of the market, bulls and bears, are quite undecided what to do next. As you can see here, we got wicks from the low, we got wicks from the from the upside, from the downside, from the upside. So the market participants are not quite sure what they should do right now, so they are trending sideways, basically, right? But this is kind of an important message sent from the market to us, because this is kind of a let's say a pin bar candlestick pattern. It looks something like a doji candlestick, but the body is a little bit too wide. Nevertheless, it looks like this move up might have been completed at the level of 61% of the Fibonacci retracement, and now we are entering a new phase of another down wave. Why? Because, as I said at the beginning, there is a lower low, there's lower low, there is lower high, there's lower high, so we should expect right now lower low, where I think it will be around this level here, 0.16, which is 61% of the retracement of this whole move down, right? So this is the target for the XRP for the next days. Not quite sure how much days we need to retrace this towards this level, but if the bulls are still undecided and they don't want to move higher above 0.21 to test the level of 0.2146, which is this dashed horizontal line here, a red one, then it means that this move higher, this breakout above the trend line is like a fake one, and then the bears will be still in the control of the market, and they will push the price lower eventually in the future. The RSI, as you can see, right now is at the level of 57, but it almost hit the level of 70, which is overbought. And the overbought market conditions means that the price of the current current cryptocurrency, of course. Like in our situation, XRP is simply too expensive, right? So we got this this price around a level of 0.21. As you can see, it was kind of expensive, and then we are started to lose this upward momentum, and then as you can see, the market moved towards the level of 57. Please remember, the 50 is the level of a neutral sentiment on the market, neither positive nor negative, right? So we are 7 points away from the neutral level, and if we go lower on the XRP, then of course this RSI indicator will move lower as well, which means the momentum will decrease. So for the next couple of days, I would rather stick to my view, which is still bearish, and as long as this level 0.2146 is not clearly violated, the outlook, despite this breakout here, the outlook is still bearish for the XRP, with the potential to move lower towards the level of 0.16289 satoshis, which is 61% of the Fibonacci retracement of the last wave up. So that's my analysis of the XRP quoted to American dollar. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.